Okay, today is June 13th, 2026, and I am once again back home from my trip in Orlando. And I am currently in Williamsburg, Iowa right now. I'm currently at the Outlet Mall complex, and here is a brand new York package air conditioning unit. Currently not running. And this unit replaced a early 2010s, I believe, Carrier Gemini unit. Not exactly sure what ton it is, but it's from 2025. Nice. And it has two compressors, probably cope and stroll compressors. It has three huge fan blades. And this unit also has micro channel, of course. But yeah, this unit is located at the Outlet Mall complex here in Williamsburg, Iowa. They filmed at lots of times. And yeah, this is a York unit. It's a really interesting York unit. Not sure if it's been running, but yeah. But yeah, this unit, this did replace Carrier Gemini unit, I think. But yeah, just like a quick video of this brand new unit. Amy, thanks for watching.